My name is Shomajyoti. Today I am going to prepare chicken roast with quite a special ingredient. Yeah, I think you guessed it right. It's Maggi Masala Magic. Here I have taken around 500 grams of chicken, half a bowl of curd, 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a bowl of oil, some coal and cloves for smoking. Powdered masalas like coriander powder, hing, salt, kebab masala, cumin powder, red chilli powder, and the main ingredient Maggi magic masala. First goes in the chicken, then the ginger garlic paste. We mix that really well and add the curd. We add all the powdered masalas including the Maggi magic masala. Mix everything quite well and leave the chicken to marinate for half an hour. We heat the coal and put it in a bowl and then add oil to smoke it and immediately cover it to trap the smoke and let the chicken to absorb the flavor of the coal. We preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and bake the chicken at that temperature for 5 minutes. We then tune the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the chicken further for 18 minutes. That's how the chicken looks. Delicious, isn't it? Hope you like this recipe and you will try it on your own. Let me know in the comments below how you like it or how your parents or your family members like it.